Ordinary people in their everyday lives are filled with the pain of hidden injuries. The injuries are kept hidden by a culture blinded to its own mistakes. What you're about to see is troubling, but it is at least a step toward trying to find the truth about ourselves, about parents, about children, and about our society.
People in our culture are largely unaware of and unconcerned about the emotional pain and inadequacies of functioning adults. If a person is not mentally ill, criminally antisocial, or noticeably suicidal, then we regard this person as normal, whereas in fact he or she may be emotionally impaired. Very little attention, if any, is given to people fulfilling their true potential in personal and career development or interpersonal relationships. Dr. Robert Firestone, prominent clinical psychologist and author, has worked consistently to uncover ways in which the humanity of the child is diminished. His ideas represent a significant contribution to the field of child abuse prevention.
In order to understand how a child is damaged in a way that we would call emotional child abuse, you'd have to understand what qualities are particularly human. And in trying to understand that, one would have to understand that his capacity for being emotional, for feeling, for identifying with his own point of view, his capability for abstract or creative reasoning, his ability to relate to other human beings, his ability to have compassion for himself and others. And these qualities are difficult to measure, but they're fundamental human qualities. If a person cannot feel his feelings, he has been reduced to an animal existence, essentially. And so if you consider that, then one must define emotional child abuse as anything which harms the individual's capability of being a human being and functioning as a human being.